often asked about the differences between modified machines and hand-cranked cigarette rolling machines. Taking the 8.0mm empty cigarette tube hand-cranked roller as an example, the size of its tobacco chamber or filling slot is 12mm in width and 67.8mm in length. Modified machine, an upgraded version equipped with a variable speed gearbox motor and an enlarged tobacco chamber 12.8mm times 75.6mm, constructed with durable materials. It's tailor-made for enthusiasts seeking customization. Modified cutting blade, crafted from high-grade steel using CNC engraving technology. It features exceptional precision, uniform cutting performance, and superior wear resistance. Ideal for high-speed, fully automated processing. The cutting blade of the manual cigarette rolling machine is made of aerospace aluminum alloy with high-temperature titanium alloy coating, making it very suitable for hand-crank processing. The components in the modified machine are slightly thicker than those in the manual cigarette rolling machine, making them suitable for high-speed operation without deformation. The advantage lies in its resistance to wear and deformation during high-speed operation, improving precision and significantly increasing the yield rate. The current quality of the manual cigarette rolling machine is fully sufficient, but for the fully automatic modified machine, which requires high-speed operation, we upgraded to harder, more precise, and more wear-resistant components. Both the manual cigarette rolling machine and the fully automatic modified machine have extremely hard components, so tough that even an electric drill can hardly penetrate them.